Dear customer, this is our QLQ ironing machine after dyeing. And normally, zipper tape use one set machine and nylon long chain zippers use one set machine. But some customers have some requirements and they don't have too much output and they want to save the investment. So our technician decided this new machine. This machine is suitable one half for long chain zippers and one half for zipper tape. So the machine size, the length is about 4 meters and the width is about 1.6 meters and the height is about 2.2 meters. For the zipper tape, the output is 4,500 meters per hour to 5,500 meters per hour. For the long chain nylon zipper, the output is 3,000 meters per hour to 4,000 meters per hour. Now I will teach you how to use the control panel. So this one is power switch, and this side will control the zipper tape, and this side will control the nylon long chain zipper. So this button is stop, and this button is right stop. This button stop and this button is left stop. So now I turn the power switch open. The light will show the machine is open. So there have two languages you can choose. This one is Chinese and this one is English. So now there is the main menu. And this side will control this side, and these two buttons will control this side. And this one is right pulling, and this one is the right barrel hitting. You can open is this, and this one is left pulling. This one is left barrel hitting. So, and in this position, you can choose the size. We have number 3, number 5, and number 8. If you ironing the number 5, so you can choose number 5. Okay. And normally the temperature will control in the 150 to 175. Normally we just use this temperature, okay? And this one no need to change it. And this one will show the parameter setting. You can setting the degree and the left counting views parameter. This button is more setting. You can setting the degree number 3, number 5, and number 8. This one is setting the left side, and this one is setting the right side. The alarm message will show you the alarm history. If the machine meets some problem, this button will show you which problem you meet. And this button you don't need to change it, okay?